Happy Wednesday, mathematicians. Yesterday you worked on doing a pattern. It was an ABC, a three-part pattern. I can't get my hands in here. Ha! I'm still working on this. Hang on. Here we go. And you did peas porridge hot. Remember that? We're going to do a review on it. So find somebody and do a quick review. It's three parts. Clap your hands on your thighs. So slap your hands on your thighs. Clap your hands together. And then push against a person or that. And we're going to practice the poem so you remember and just review how yesterday went. Here we go. Peas porridge hot, peas porridge cold, peas porridge in a pot, 9 days old. Sing it with me. Some like it hot, some like it cold, some like it in a pot, 9 days old. Well, today we're going to do patterns again, but it's color patterns. And you're going to be making your Halloween countdown chain using your Unifix cubes. Um, that's about it. There's a worksheet you're going to need to do as well. So anytime I give you a direction and you don't have the materials you need in front of me, touch pause. And you can make me be quiet and just freeze for as long as you need until you get all your supplies together and then you hit play again. So not only are you having a math lesson today, I need you to practice being able to pause me, get everything you need, maybe take some time to get a drink of water, think, and then click play and pick right up where we left off. Tomorrow you might try rewinding, but save that till tomorrow. Back on today's lesson, you're going to notice and copy an AB pattern in colors. Here's an example of an AB pattern. Here's another example of an AB pattern. Okay? And you are going to create an AB pattern with your bag of Unifix cubes that you got, and you're going to copy the pattern you made onto a worksheet. Snap a picture, send it to me. You are also going to begin and start creating your countdown chain to Halloween. Don't do the whole thing. You're only going to get to do a little part of it today and then finish tomorrow. Next. In front of you, you can see the red, blue, red, blue, red, blue AB pattern. That's an example. Not all of you, I don't know if any of you have red and blue, you have your own colors. So you will be creating a colored pattern that is the same because it will be one color. I'm not explaining that well. Let me start. It will be the same as this red blue pattern because it will be AB. The letter A, whenever you see it in a pattern, AB, 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 means it is the same. It doesn't mean the letter A from the alphabet. And they're using that in math a different way than you use it in reading. Mathematicians, this is part of something that high schoolers learn about in algebra, but you're learning about how to use the letter A to mean one color. For example, in this chain link, I'm going to have A be orange and B be black. So it goes orange, black, orange A, black B, orange A, black B. And a pattern is something copied exactly the same. And when you know a pattern, even though I stopped with black, because you know the AB pattern, you don't have to guess what color to do next. You know it. Patterns help you predict and know the future if you recognize the pattern. You all will be able to. Now, once you've made your AB pattern on your links, then you go to a pack of math papers for Unit 1 and you look for the sheet that looks just like this one over here on the left. You don't have to fill in all of them. You have to fill in one at least all the way across. And I'd like you to do a second one. You should have enough colors in your Unifix bag to create two different AB patterns. So do the top row one color pattern, the second row another one, and then it's up to you. If you like doing it, fill them in. Make sure that you can put, when you take your picture of your worksheet that's finished, please lay your Unifix cube right next to it, kind of like you have in the example over here on the right, so that I can see that you understand how to create the pattern and how to copy it on paper. Okay, next. After you finish your Unifix, then you're going to start on tomorrow's project. I'm just going to ask you to make a decision. This is actually quite challenging. It looks easy because the pattern might be easy, but actually physically making this chain has quite some challenges, and I've never done it in a little circle before, so I'm going to do my best to help you. You will need to choose how you're going to connect your two ends together. Okay, you want to create as close as you can to a nice circle. You're changing this rectangle into a circle as you can. Now, unless I connect it when I let go, there you go. It's not connected. So I'm going to use a stapler and a tape to show you both. Just a sec. Oh, I have to remember not to talk too long. So here we go. First one. There it is. I have to hold it with one hand. This is a two-hand project and your brain. Your two hands and your brains. Ooh, let me turn it. I want to connect it so my edges aren't crooked on the sides. I want my edges to be straight, not like this, like this. And then I'm going to tape it. I hope you know I'm doing all of this backwards, which should be easy for me. I'm a pretty backwards person, but it is not. I'm doing my best. Here we go. Now, when I let go, it will stay connected. Now, the next color, here we go. This will work for you. You go, take your next sheet, put it through the center. Okay. Then you have to roll it together. And if you do it correctly, it will turn into a circle. If you put it together like this, you get like a teardrop. You don't want that. So fix that. One has to go under the other one and the other goes over it. This one I'm going to staple. If you decide to do this, you have to do it with parent permission. Hold it. This one takes actually more muscles and more carefulness because the staples can be dangerous. There, that's my AB pattern. The first color is A. Mine is going to be orange, is A. The second color is B, and I'm going to copy this exactly the same, A, B, A, B. Now, tomorrow you'll be completing it. You're going to be making 31 links because there's 31 days in October, and there's 31 days until Halloween. It is actually the last day of Halloween, not the first day of Halloween. And tomorrow you will get to attach your jack-o'-lantern that you will be decorating to the very top of your chain. More to come on that tomorrow. It's challenging. Be patient. Just do at least the first 6. You don't need to take a picture of it until tomorrow. That's it for today. Have a great time in math.